and welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, and in today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of giant scrunchies. I'm going to do two different fabrics on one scrunchie, peaches and cream, and we're going to go with a grey and a cream together. So let's get into it. In today's video, I want to be doing two giant scrunchies. They are going to consist of two different colours, so I'm going to sew them together and make a giant scrunchie. The length of them is 40 inches and the width of them in total will be 8 inches. So it's slightly different alterations to the other video that I did on giant scrunchies. So the first thing I'm going to do is pin the right sides facing one another of the two bits of fabric. So I'm just going to get those lined up, and then I'm going to pin, and I'm going to be sewing across here. And here's the next one, so exactly the same. Gonna match those up as far as possible. There we go. And if you see any blue lines on there, I can get rid of that later with water. So once again, line them up, grab your pins, and pin them sort of as evenly as you want them to go. If you don't sew that often, make it easier for yourself, then do put quite a few pins in. I'm pinning them this way so that I can sew over the top of them and pull them out as I go along. I'm going on straight stitch. I'm going to lower my presser foot, line up the presser foot with the edge of my fabric. Remember, as I go along, I'm going to pop my pins over here, and the top dial is on 0 and the third dial down is on 3. So off we go. Next, what I'm going to do is sew the other side of both of them. What I'm going to do is turn these the right way around. I'm just going to get 7 inches of elastic. So just to finish off with, then I've got the scrunchies here, and I reckon we'll just try them in the hair. I do love them. Look at that. Peaches and cream, that's that one. Like it. And then we got this one would be really good again because it's the neutral one. So I'll definitely be wearing a few more of my scrunchies now that all my roots have gone. Yeah. Right then, I'm going to finish off. Thank you very much for watching today and spending some of your time with me. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a whirl with the Giant Scrunchies. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe. Give me a like if you enjoyed it. And I post every Monday and Thursday, so look out for those videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.